Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a battery charge level indicator circuit. So you need 4 LEDs, green, yellow, red and white, 5mm. We need 4 resistors, 1 kilo ohm each. So we start now. Put the red LED plus on the left and the cathode on the right, anode left and cathode right. After that I need to connect the yellow one, same thing, the plus on the left and the negative on the right, same thing with the rest. Now the green, positive, when we put the red, yellow, green and white, the red one, it's 25. It shows, when it's lit, it shows like the battery's got 25% of charge. The yellow one shows that it's got 50% of charge, and the green, it shows like 75%. The yellow, the white one, of course, it shows 100%. So now, as you can see, we made these resistors like this now, this way, and we have to plug them like this. Yeah, easy. So I think our circuit is completely done now. So as you can see, everything is done. Now I need to plug the polarity connectors, the power connector. So power connectors, the red one means the positive needs to go on the anode of the LED, the red LED, and the negative, which is the black wire, it needs to be plugged the end of the resistor opposite of the red LED is cathode. So we've got it ready. Well, we need to plug our power supply. I've got this power supply. It's got from 0.5 volt to 30 volts. So our circuit is plugged to now 7.6. As you can see, the green, the red, yellow and green lit. So if I decrease the voltage, it's 0.5 now. Look at the red. The red is lit. That means it's got 25%. The yellow, half charge. The green and the white, it's fully charged. So when it gets to 9 volts, it's fully. That may indicate that it's fully charged. But I can add some more LED and resistor, so I can get to 15 or 14 volts. But this is enough for this demonstration for today. So now after this, I think I need to try it now on these 2 new batteries. Well, they are 12 volts. I got them from my hedge trimmer. So I'm gonna try now to test the first one. Positive and negative on negative. As you can see, all the lights are lit. That means it's in a perfect state. So it's fully charged, fully charged. Let's try the other one now. Negative and positive. Plugged. Yeah, it's the same, shows the same. That means it's fully charged. The second one as well. So now I'm gonna try this 9-volt battery, which is, I think this is the new one that I bought the other day. No, this is not. No, I've been using this one. I think, yeah, it's alright, you know. It's got the green, that means it's got 75%. Yeah, because I've been using it for other circuit the other day. So I'm gonna try this one now. This is a different type of batteries. Yeah, this is empty, has nothing, no charge. It's got only 25% or less than that, because it shows the red. So I'm gonna try now this 1.5 volts. So I'm gonna try two of them in series, so they can give me 3 volts. I've been using them before, that's why they have no charge left. It's only 25%. Yeah, so I think, yeah, I've got this last one. I think this is empty because I've been using it before for the smoke alarm detector. Yeah, it's got only 25% as well. So this is a good circuit, you know, as you can see, easy to